Let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Madhiviguna, NPM 24411047. Now I will explain understanding law and business law, exploring the legal frameworks that shape commerce, protect rights, and build trust in society. What is law? The foundation of society. Law represents a comprehensive system of rules that are formally created and enforced by governmental authorities that regulate behavior and ensure justice across all levels of society. It serves as the scaffolding upon which civilization is built, governing the complex relationship between individuals, organizations, and government themselves. Maintain order. Establish predictable rules that allow society to function smoothly and reduce conflict. Protect rights. Safeguard individual freedoms and ensure everyone has recourse when wronged. Resolve disputes. Provides impartial mechanism for settling disagreements without violence or chaos. Introduction to business law. Business law is the specialist branch of legal practice that governs the formation, operation, and regulation of commercial enterprise. It encompasses the entire life cycle of a business, from its founding through daily operation, and address the myriad legal obligations and rights that arise in the commercial realm. Core coverage areas: contract and commercial agreement, employment relationship and labor standard, intellectual property protection, taxation and financial obligation, consumer protection and product liability. Primary objective. Business law ensures that companies operate fairly, ethically, and within established legal boundaries. It creates a level playing field where business compete honorably. Consumers are protected from exploitation and contractual obligations are honored and enforceable. Why business law matters? Real-world impact. Business law is far more than abstract legal principles. It has tangible, often dramatic consequences of our organization, employees, and consumers. Violations can result in catastrophic financial penalties, reputational destruction, and operational disruption that fundamentally alter a company's trajectory. Consumer protection. Business law shield consumers from fraudulent practice, unsafe product, and unfair contractual terms, ensuring the marketplace operates with integrity. Real case. Cummins Inc., the diesel engine manufacturing, paid a $1,975 billion penalty for systematically violating environmental emission standards, demonstrating the severe financial and reputational consequences of regulatory non-compliance. Risk mitigation. Understanding business law helps organizations avoid costly litigation, regulatory investigation, and reputational damage that can take years to overcome. Key areas of business law. Business law comprises several interconnected specialized fields, each addressing specific aspects of commercial operation. Understanding these areas is essential for business leaders navigating the complex legal landscape of modern commerce. 1. Contract law. The foundation of commercial relationships encompasses creating, negotiating, and enforcing agreements that bind parties to specific obligations and remedies. 2. Employment law defines rights and duties of both employees and employees, covers wage, working conditions, discrimination, termination, and workplace safety standards. 3. Intellectual property protects invention, trademarks, copyright, and trade secrets, ensuring companies can commercialize their creative and innovative work without unauthorized use. 4. Corporate law governs company formation, shareholder governance, mergers and acquisitions, and boardroom operation, ensure proper corporate structure and accountability. The role of business lawyer. Business lawyers serve as essential strategic advisors and protective guardians, helping organizations navigate the intricate legal environment. Their expertise spans preventive legal planning and aggressive representation when disputes arise. Skilled business counsel can save companies millions through proactive risk mitigation and shared negotiation. Contract drafting. Meticulous review and drafting of agreement to prevent disputes, clarify obligation, and protect client interests through precise legal language. Compliance and risk advice on regulatory obligation and implement systems to mitigate legal risk, reducing exposure to penalties and operational disruption. Litigation and negotiation represent business in disputes, pursuing aggressive litigation, strategic or negotiating statements that protect commercial interests. Startup legal foundation guide early stage companies through entity formation, equity structure, investor recruitment, and operational governance framework. Business law in a global context. As a business expands across borders, they enter a complex multi-jurisdictional legal environment where international law, bilateral trade lists, and varied national regulation intersect. International business law addresses the unique challenge of cross-border commerce, ensuring companies understand obligations in its jurisdiction and can manage conflicting legal requirements effectively. Cross-border trade governs international sales, import or export regulation, and custom compliance across different jurisdictions. International taxation address complex transfer pricing, double taxing, presentation, and tax treaty implications for multinational enterprise. Regulatory navigation ensure adherence to differing employment standards, data protection law, and environmental regulation across operating countries. Legal harmonization manage contract language, dispute resolution mechanism, and applicate law provision across jurisdiction. Conclusion: why understanding business law empowers success? Business law creates the foundational framework within which fair, stable, and trustworthy commerce operates. It transforms abstract ideals of justice into practical mechanisms that protect investment, ensure contract enforceability, and establish accountability. Whatever Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur launching a venture, an executive managing operation, or an investor evaluating opportunities, comprehensive understanding of business law principles is indispensable. Risk avoidance. Legal knowledge helps identify and prevent costly mistakes, litigation exposure, and regulatory violations that can devastate business opportunity sizing. Understanding legal mechanisms enable business to structure transactions, protect intellectual property, and execute strategic initiatives confidently. Ethical foundation. Business law establishes the ethical guardrails that build stakeholder trust, sustainable competitive advantage, and long-term entrepreneurial value. Sustainable growth. Business built on solid legal foundation attract better patterns, investor, and talent while navigating challenge with resilience and legitimacy. I think that are my explanation. Thanks for watching.